Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Reyvanny Armadiandra from Grade 1 Junior High School. Today, I will show you how to make a static vase. What we need a plastic bottle, glue, scissors, hem rope, lace, and flowers. First, glue the end of hem rope to the bottle. After that, wrap the hem rope around the bottle. Use glue if necessary.
This for the moment will last long forever. Like is your love? This is the
Decorated with lace to make it more beautiful and aesthetic.
moonlight we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like is your love.
Ta-da! Finally, aesthetic and beautiful vase is created. You can put some flowers in it. Beautiful, isn't it? Hopefully you like it. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.